Sunday, August 2nd, and it is an insanely hot day out here today. I just spent 4 hours cutting grass and hauling brush around and stacking into piles. Dad's been gardening here first thing this morning, and but the old dog is parked on the cold concrete floor because he knows better. Cat is looking at me square-eyed. No work on the Bombardier again today, but I didn't come out yesterday, and Dad was working on the bumpers here a little bit. He had some welding and he had to get done. I think he actually put in that mount in there yesterday, and again, just so damn hot. But he's got the big bay doors open here right now. He's doing some welding on the airboat, and I'll walk you guys over there and show you some of the damage. So hopefully I can speaking loud enough you guys can hear me. But ignition got knocked out somehow, and then nothing's marked here, so we got to figure out which one's the ignition wires. This hose, fuel line, got cut somehow, so Dad's got to refit that in so he can get fuel going. On the other side here, don't know how they did it, but they did it. They managed to knock off the top of the fuel cap here, the glass. So now it's leaking water in there, and you've got to drain that tank out because it's got water in the tank. Dad's been doing some welding here. This hitch here. I don't know if this is for is this for the airboat or hoppers? Okay, I'm gonna have to probably put this down and give Dad a hand here. Give me a second. Okay, he just needed a hand flipping it over here. Hopper's got a trailer. Okay. So what's the deal you made with Hopper?
I cut the brush and I fixed his thing, and he loads and hauls the brush.
Oh, well, he's got like 10 huge loads of brush to haul away now, so I just stacked everything.
Okay, you better explain this again because I don't think they could hear very good.
Okay, so the glass on top of that gauge got knocked off somehow. As a result, water seeped in there, and it's now water in the fuel tank. Dad's got to actually jack this up just so that he can get it so that it's not level, but it's on an angle so we can get all the fuel out of there.
Yeah.
And then obviously got to change out that gas cap. So he's got everything welded back into place here and painted.
Yeah.
But
the front, I'll just explain.
Okay. Sure.
All this is lubricated.
Okay, perfect.
I'm waiting for Aiden, and we're going to change the prop.
Oh, you have to change the prop too.
Yeah, well, they smashed it.
Oh, awesome.
It's a $5,000 prop, and
yeah,
it didn't last very long.
We put that in new last year.
Yeah.
Okay, well, all good things come to an end, I guess.
Yeah. And then I don't know what they were doing, but they took the ignition out and put all the bolts back in, and there's no ignition, so I don't know what they done with it.
Right.
And then this hose here has to hook to the tank. They cut it off, I don't know, so I got to get a new fitting and hook this all up again. And this is off. 1, 2.
Okay.
Got to bring me batteries.
So yeah, this is Dad's summer work. Probably the last, I don't know, 5, 6, 7 years. These airboats have moved in, and just a constant repair. One goes out, one comes in. I don't think there's usually a day break here before he's got another one here.
Nobody wants to have anything to do with them because they tie up a shop.
Yeah.
You know, like this, it could be in for a month or two.
Yeah.
And if you pull it out, somebody's going to wreck something.
Yeah. And honestly, I haven't a clue where the nearest place would be. Maybe Florida, Brandon, I don't know. But what were you doing on the bumpers here? I was trying to explain this before.
Okay, I had buffed the whole thing, eh?
Yeah.
so the paint sticks.
Yeah.
It's painted on the bottom side.
Oh, okay. Oh, great. Perfect.
See?
Yes, nice and glossy.
I can't paint today because
Too hot. It is 30 degrees in the shade here right now, guys. It is, whew, we're sweating like conservatives in church.
And then tomorrow, seeing it's a holiday, I got stain. I'm gonna stain all this.
Okay.
Full color stain.
Yeah.
Because it's water resistant and everything else.
And where's Aiden and when's he coming back?
I don't know. He's
Saskatchewan or something, but he's
Yeah.
due back. But
after the long weekend.
yeah. So can't really do too much in the shop here, guys. It's so bloody hot, and it is nearing 4 o'clock here, and it's the hottest part of the day.
If he stays away much longer, then I'll get Cook to give me a hand.
Yeah. Okay. Good.
I'm not short of. There's only a couple good guys.
Yeah. Okay, guys, so that's it for now, and I know it's just been gardening videos in the last couple videos, but it's just the heat of the day, and it's 2nd of August, and poof, hard for us to work in this heat. My little Tuffy is found a piece of plastic or something, and she's gonna bark at it. Hey, knucklehead. So brave. So incredibly brave. Oh, got it now.